the solution you have been looking for.
Everyone, you're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So today we want to solve this equation. Let's take a look at this equation given the PDE. PDE means partial differential equation. So the partial differential equation du dy equals to 4ty. I'm calling it du dy. This one means partial derivative of u with respect to y equals to 4ty. That is the meaning. And it is called partial differential equation because it contains partial differential coefficient and it contains all other variables. So we want to find the solution of this equation. So the first thing you do is that you rewrite the expression. I write the expression as du equals to 4ty dy. That's what I'm saying. So I can write the expression like that. Du equals to 4ty dy. And what did I do here? What I did here is that I crossed multiply dy times 4ty and du times whatever is here. That is what I do. So here we go. Now what do I do next? The next thing you do is you integrate both sides. I will integrate both sides. We are integrating du equals to, we are integrating 4ty dy. So integrating du, whenever you are integrating is the reverse of differentiation. Do you get? So why integrating something that is being differentiated here, which is called du? So integration will cancel what? The differentiation aspect, and it will remain what? U equals to. So we are integrating 4ty with respect to y. That means my business here is just with y. So I can separate the 4t out as a constant one, 4t. That means I'm integrating what? Y dy. So here I can have equals to u equals to 4t. Now if I'm integrating y, if you want to integrate anything, it becomes y raised to power, the coefficient of y is what? 1, right? You add this plus 1, y raised to power 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus, because I leave 40 as a constant out here, so then we will have our arbitrary constant f of t, because I'm not integrating t. That is why it's our arbitrary function. So here I now have u equals to 4t y raised to power 1 plus 1, that's what? Y raised to power 2 over 2 plus f of t. So f of t is my what? My arbitrary function. So u equals to 2 goes in 4. I'm trying to divide here. 2 goes in 4, 2, right? 2t, and I have my y square, because bracket means multiplication, plus f of t. So as simple as that. See you again next time.